What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. As you can see, we are going down here on a downtrend here with Shiba Inu, but look right here, we have some supply and demand, so it's about to go up back on a little bit of an uptrend. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know exactly what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Let's get straight to it. So, as you can see, the 24-hour market control for Shiba Inu is in control by the bears by 80%. That is not really too good, but it is still showing what the overall crypto market is doing. Everything inside the crypto market is going down, so Shiba Inu doing the same thing really isn't a surprise. Now, 52.9K for Bitcoin, for the 4100 pretty much for Ethereum, down 6.5% Bitcoin, 8.2% Ethereum. But Ethereum is actually starting to, kind of take a little bit of the dominance from Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin dominance up here at the top, 39%, Ethereum dominance 19%. And why this all matters is because right now there's so much FUD in the market. There's so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. We keep getting all this crazy stuff, the variant, we're getting lockdowns here and there, we're getting infrastructure bills, we're getting taxed, we're getting a bunch of stuff thrown at us inside of the financial markets, not just in crypto, everything. So from politics to, health to all this crazy stuff going on, making the crypto market go down as well as the stock market. So something I really want to talk about here, Bitcoin is actually about to fall below a trillion market cap right now. It only has 879 million to go in order to fall below that trillion market cap. So this is going to be like a psychological number. People are going to see it and they're going to be thinking, oh, wow, we're going to be bearish here with crypto. So right now you're seeing Shiba Inu kind of going through the same thing. Not even kind of, it's really going through the same thing as Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're having the same drops. We're having the same rises whenever those two go up. So right now what we're seeing in Shiba Inu is what we expected to see after we had some kind of big jump like this, like a huge rally. Now, I want to mention a few things here with Shiba Inu. So our green areas, I always say this, is our supply and demand showing more demand. Red areas, supply and demand showing less demand. So we're actually slowly but surely trickling down to this green area, like I said in the beginning of the video. So when you see it hit this green area, we're going to have another one of these chance of reversals pop up. And those chance of reversals are pretty much going to send us back on the uptrend. So pretty much we're going to do something like this once we hit the bottom here. And this will be this area here where we are with our supply and demand. We're going to see another jump back up here in Shiba Inu and possibly inside of Bitcoin as well, and probably stop here at the 4100 area. So we're going to have some kind of recovery coming very soon for Shiba Inu. Now that is just in the short term. We're just talking short term stuff right now. But if we continue to see Bitcoin losing money in market cap, if we continue to see Ethereum, all these top cryptos losing money in market cap, and we continue to see more FUD in the crypto market, expect the actual, whole crypto market, that all markets, from real estate, not really real estate holds its value very well, but like the stock market, the financial markets, from the stock market to the crypto market, expect that to actually go down back on downtrend and go below this area here. So this is our supply and demand, but we will have way less demand here if we keep getting more FUD. So right now, this is about to be, I like to say that these are like waves, right? So right now, we're getting through this wave, right? And as we hit the bottom of the wave, we're going to have to pretty much retest our resistance. So when we retest that 4100 resistance, if we can't break 4100 and continue to rise above 4100, you're going to see Shiba Inu trend back down to about 3500. So that's pretty much what we'll probably see. And then remember, as Shiba Inu trickles down to 3,500, if we can't break 4,100, you're going to probably see the same thing for Bitcoin. I almost said Dogecoin, but yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum. You're going to see the same things for those. If Bitcoin can't break back above 56K, 57K, you're going to see Bitcoin trend back down to $50,000, possibly even $49,000. If you can't see Ethereum get back up to 4,400, 4,500, you're going to see Ethereum get down to 4,000, possibly 3,900. And those are the levels that coincide with each other from Shiba Inu to Bitcoin to Ethereum, because everything's following Bitcoin. So we got to do the analysis on all of them. But that's enough of the technicals, though. We pretty much, understand exactly what we got coming up next. We just got to, hurry up and hit the support. down here where this supply and demand is, so then we can bounce back and try to retest our resistance at 4100. And then eventually, if we can't break it, then we will go down. So let's get off the technicals though. As you can see, all this good stuff down 7.3% in the last 24 hours, all that good stuff. Long-term holders are not worried about anything about any of this. This is irrelevant to the long-term holders, all the technicals. So what I really want to go over right now for the SHIB army is the fundamentals. So we have 1,031,520 people. We're going to surpass 1.1 million holders by the end of December. We have to. That'll be a huge milestone for Shiba Inu, huge milestone for the whole SHIB army. I want to see this surpass 1 million people, 1,031,520. So that would be really nice for the whole SHIB army, right? Now, moving on from this, let's go on to some other things. I'm just going to do a recap on, the new egg thing and the game thing, and then I'm going to go over some new stuff. And actually, wait, I'll do a recap after that. Actually, no, I'll do the recap before. Anyways, we got new egg about to accept payments. We have new egg. It's about to accept payments in Shiba Inu. We're about to get this. This is going to be really big for the whole SHIB army. This is going to be big for crypto, especially leading up to Christmas. This is going to present not buying opportunities, but it's definitely going to put a lot of volume through SHIB. And it's another use case for SHIB, so this is definitely very good for SHIB. And then you got over here, we got the game that's about to be coming out, working with William Volk. He was the former vice president of tech at Activision. I mean, he's one of the biggest people inside gaming. And then we got this, this guy literally started on the first, what was it? The first Apple game. He was part of it. I don't know. It was something like that. The first iPhone game, something like that. He was working with it. And anyways, about a bunch of good stuff is about to come out with this. So we're about to have a whole Shiba Inu metaverse. This is about to be pretty cool. And just know that a lot of stuff in the metaverse is really about to take off. I even have written on a sticky note to get into some metaverse cryptos. There's a lot of different ones that I'm looking into, but I'm not gonna say anything about them until I do my research, because I don't want anyone to get in a scam coin, But yeah, there's a lot of good stuff going on in the metaverse, especially with buying land and stuff in the metaverse. So I'm going to be getting in that as well. And I'll start going over that on the channel once I learn more about it. But yeah, let's talk about some big stuff going on inside SHIB right now, though. So Bigger Entertainment. So this is really big. Bigger Entertainment has burned over 600 million SHIB. So that's a lot of SHIB right there. I mean, it's not as much as you would think. It's like $30,000, $25,000, 30,000, somewhere around 30,000. So anyways, that is a good amount of money in SHIB. So 600 million, over 600 million, just through this whole Spotify playlist thing that they're doing. So the playlist that started it all, the SHIB burner, that's pretty big that they were able to get their own playlist popping off like that, in that they're really promoting SHIB through that, and they're actually burning it through that. So it's pretty cool to see that they're doing that with Shiba Inu. So here's the actual website, so you can go directly to it, biggerentertainment.com. As you can see, the first crypto record label. So that's pretty big. Hey, maybe they want to sign me. Maybe they want to check out my music. I don't know if they're into the rap stuff, but hey, maybe if they want to sign me, they can definitely sign me up. I mean, do something. I'm trying to stay independent, so maybe we can do some kind of distribution deal. I don't know, something cool like that. But hey, shout out to them for doing this for Shiba Inu. This is pretty cool, and they have some good marketing. I mean, if you look at their Spotify and stuff, they got some good playlists going out. So over here, you can just open up the Spotify, and then boom, as you can see, I got my Spotify right here already open. So you got their whole playlist here. They got 3,786 likes. And it's pretty hard to it's really hard to build a Spotify playlist. If anyone knows how that works, it is really hard to even build a following and stuff on Spotify. Even I'm struggling to build something. So it's definitely exciting to see that they got all this 31,000 likes on this, 576 songs, and they're burning SHIB with this, the official SHIB burner playlist from Bigger Entertainment. I mean, that's crazy. And I know you all see exactly what I was just now listening to. If you all want to listen to some UK drill, I listen to pretty much everything. I got all my top songs of 2021. I got all my other stuff over here, rap, acoustics. I listen to pretty much everything. Audio Oasis, Headphone Activist, shout out to them. But anyways, I got a lot of different stuff on here, but I do want to speak about some other stuff with Shiba Inu. So let's go ahead and back out of this. I know I got a little bit of sidetracked here, but this is definitely exciting to see that they're burning Shiba Inu through playlist. So this is definitely really big. Maybe I'll do something like that. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing something like that, like starting a Shiba Inu playlist or a Baby Doge playlist, and then doing some kind of burns. But I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, over here, there's actually a statement from Stephen Cooper. So he's the owner of Bigger Entertainment. So he says, all right, everyone. So over here, he says, the Sheep Burn Spotify playlist is ready. More stores coming today / this week. Visit biggerentertainment.com/sheep for details. We've increased the burn rate to 20 sheep per stream. So per stream, they're burning 20 sheep for now to make a bigger impact. Burn rates will decrease / slightly as sheep goes up. I want to mention something. Spotify pays like 0.003 of a penny, 0.003 of a penny for a stream. And for them to burn 20 sheep per stream, like they're losing money here if you think about it. And you got to think about it. They're losing money, but they're still burning sheep here. So per about 1 million streams, Spotify pays you $4,000. So I have not got paid that much by them. I have not made that much money through them. I made like 350 or something, which is still good, but still for 1 million streams, that's $4,000 through Spotify. So for them to do 20 sheep per stream, that's a lot of money. Just think about it. That's a lot of money. I mean, that's huge. So they're definitely losing money here, but they're doing a good thing for the whole sheep community, and they're also promoting their artist through this. So this is definitely a good idea. I'm gonna have to look into doing something like this. But yeah, he's definitely got a good marketing plan going on here. And over here, you can see whomever is spreading misinformation about the Shiba Burn music event, please stop. As a Sheep Army member, Steven is going to go beyond to help this people out. So this came directly from Mila Rock. Shout out to Mila Rock, however you say that. That is the Shiba mod. Shout out to Mila or Mila Rock. I don't know if it's Mila or Mila, but shout out to that person. So over here, you can see Stephen Cooper said, important everyone in Sheep Army, please read and share. I am absolutely appalled by the Reddit post from Sheep Army. What in the world? Who runs the page? Bigger Entertainment is not a cash grab by any means. We have not made $100,000 from the playlist. Just the way. All right, so I could go over all that stuff that they're saying, but I know every single thing that there is to know about. I don't want to act like I'm like some guru. I know everything that there is to know about marketing with the music industry. It takes money, and it takes a lot of money to market in the music industry. Way more money than you can make off of streaming. Artists make nothing off of streaming. It's literally rent money. They make their money from touring and merch. Literally, 1 million streams is $4,000. 1 million streams have not went through that Spotify playlist with 34,000 followers. It has not done that literally at all because it's just not possible. Like when you really look at it, it's like 1 million streams for $4,000. How in the world did they make 100K off that? But they did not make $100,000 off of that. That's all you really need to know. They did not make $100,000 off of any of that. So you have to think about it. 1 million streams is $4,000. 2 million streams is $8,000. You keep going up, and up. But they did not make $100,000. That's just facts right there. Anyways, as you can see, I'm absolutely applauded by the Reddit post from Sheep Army. What in the world? Who runs this? Blah, blah, blah. We worked our butts off for this. But anyways, this is exactly what I'm talking about. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. People will always try to bring you down when you're doing something good for the community or when you're doing something good with a crypto. People always try to bring it down. So don't let the FUD just distract you because it's fear, uncertainty, and doubt at the purest form. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I will be back with another video. Peace.